Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create 4K quality video editing using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my CapCut application, and first of all I'm going to add my video to the timeline, and then I'm going to do adjustment. We can go to the adjustment menu. It's here. Wait, let me click on this icon, and then we're going to choose adjustment, select custom adjustment, and then you're going to go to the color curves, and then you can follow my adjustment. You can adjust it like this for the white color, the red color, and then also the green color, then the blue color. Okay, done guys. We can copy this adjustment. Okay, and then we're going to extend the effect. We're going to apply the effect to the whole of the video, and then we're going to go to the effects menu, select the body effect, and then you're going to choose lens, and then here you're going to search for blur effect. Okay, apply this blur effect to the whole video, and then we're going to export this video. Okay, done. And then we're going to delete the effect and also the adjustment, and go to the import menu. We're going to import the video we have just exported. Alright, I'm going to add this video to the timeline, and then go to the blending menu, and then we're going to choose color dodge, and we're going to add this white background. You need to prepare white background, and then you're going to go to the blending, and we're going to choose overlay, and then reduce the opacity like this. Okay, done. And then we're going to add the original video, and we're going to do adjustment. Just go to the adjustment, select custom adjustment, and then we're going to go to the basic, and then I'm going to adjust the tint, the temperature, saturation, the lightness, just add lightness a little bit, and then the contrast as well, and the shadow, okay, and also for the sharpen and the clarity. Okay, and it's done. You will be able to adjust the HSL if you want. I'm just going to increase the saturation. Alright, and then we're going to apply this adjustment. Okay, and this is for the final result. And then I'm going to compare it with my original video. This is for the original video guys. I'm going to make a comparison. Okay, this is the edited video. Alright, you can see the difference, right? Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!